Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get back your MetaMask wallet. Losing access can be stressful, but with your secret recovery phrase, it's a straightforward process. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you can confidently restore your wallet and regain control of your digital assets. It's crucial to follow these instructions carefully to protect your funds. Let's get started on getting you back online. To begin, open the MetaMask application or extension. If you're on a new device, select Import Wallet or Restore Account. You'll then be prompted to enter your 12-word secret recovery phrase. Type each word precisely, in the correct order with a single space between them. After entering your phrase, you'll create a new, strong password for your restored wallet. This password encrypts your local data, adding an extra layer of security. Sometimes, issues arise during the recovery process. First, meticulously double-check the spelling and order of each word in your secret recovery phrase. A single typo can prevent successful restoration. Also, confirm you are using the official MetaMask application or browser extension, not a phishing site. If you've tried these steps and still face difficulties, consider checking MetaMask's official help resources for further guidance. Patience is key when troubleshooting. Protecting your secret recovery phrase is paramount. It's the master key to your funds. Never share it with anyone, and be wary of scams asking for it. Store your phrase offline, perhaps written down and kept in a secure, private location like a safe. Regularly back up your phrase and consider using a hardware wallet for enhanced security. And hey, for other great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. Stay safe out there.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.